Are you recording? Are you taking a picture? I have a strange feeling that she's recording. You're recording something, are you? Answer me!
No!
You are. You are. Get out of my face! I can't do this. I'm gonna get a splinter. You should really take care of these things.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna kill me. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm gonna get an ass splinter on this.
I'm scared. I don't know if I can do it. Alright, I'll do it. I can't do it. Ow! 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 That hurt me. That's the entrance. Why am I going up this way? Oh, screw you guys. I'll just climb up this.
I'm getting off. I'll sing hard. I'm getting off.
I freaking don't like you. You freaking entrance blocker. Block the
The monster. Who's the monster?
Taylor.
We have to say goodbye to our channel, TV watchers.
They don't watch TV. They watch their computer.
Oh, a computer watch people. Bye. I love you.
What? Bye. Bye.
Hold on.